La-di-da-di-dum, painty, painty, painty. Hey, are you painting? Yeah. Do you like to paint? Yep, I always paint. It's with oil paint at least. It's the best kind of paint there is. What are you talking about? Acrylic is the best. Just look at this. Acrylics are way more popular than oils. It's true. You should know. Oh no, you didn't. Oil paint is thicker and gives way more texture. Look. Look at how thick it is. More painters painted in oil. Leonardo da Vinci did, Botch did, you know. Still, acrylics dry much faster. It takes them from 15 minutes to only 1 hour at most. It takes oil paint days or weeks, depending on the temperature. If you still don't believe that oil is better, look at this. Notice the texture, and usually there's tons of bright colors. Well, check out my painting. It looks cool, and acrylics are so much cheaper than oils. That is true. I guess they are expensive, but it is worth it. I take a long time to paint, and since oils don't dry very fast, I have plenty of time to paint. Well, I take a short amount of time to paint, but I mess up a lot. Acrylics take a short amount of time to dry, so I can go over it in a matter of minutes. Well, oil is cool because, and if you still don't believe that acrylics are so much better than oils, ask the people. Acrylics are so much more popular than oils. It's the most popular type of paint there is. You already said that. Are you running out of facts? What? How? What? Huh? What are you talking about? I have lots of facts. Like, I've still got a few. Like, oil paints have been used even after a super long time. It has been used since the 12th century. Cool, huh? Well, I guess that is pretty cool. I guess both are awesome. Me too. Well, I'd better get going. But I still think oil paints are better.